Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So guys, today we're going to be doing like 70 plus YouTube videos, YouTube video ideas that you can be doing. Yeah, I just said 70 plus. There'll be more than 70. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So guys, today we are going to be doing 70 plus YouTube video ideas, and without much stories or much more complications, let's get straight to the video. Please don't forget to comment on the videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Starting this something new, I'll be doing shout outs for everyone who comments on my YouTube channel. So let's get started with the comments, guys. For the comments and the subscribers, I'll be doing shout outs for them. So this is the first video that I'm announcing this, so let's get started. So I have them here on my phone. I had sent them to myself from my computer. I didn't want to sit here with a computer. Anywho, first video, it's an unboxing video, or maybe we should start with something much simpler. No, let me just go with the order I have them here. So we have like unboxing videos, then we have the daily vlogs. With the vlogs, you can do daily, weekly, whichever way you decide. Then we have the reset vlogs. You can do a Sunday reset, weekend reset, holiday reset, the videos. Then we have the self-care. From the self-care, you can do the morning routine, evening routine, skincare routine. What other routine? Oh, 5 a.m. routine, because that's also, it's a part of self-care. 5 a.m. routine, your evening routine, it's part of a self-care vlog. Then we have visual diary. Okay, I'm curious about this. I'm also trying to do this. If you're in school, you can do like if you're in high school, you can do like a get ready with me for school. If you're in college, get ready with me for classes. Get ready with me. Okay, high school, college, it's all the same. Just get ready with me for school. And from there, you can make lots of content about school and everything. Let's see what we have else about school. Then we have like the 6 a.m. morning routine when you're going to school. Then when it's during the holidays, what you get for Christmas, what you get for Easter, what you get for Eid. I mean, every holiday, if there is an in-between holiday, just put it there. Put it out there and tell us what you got. Tell us what you got. Don't mind my nails. Then we have what's on my iPhone. Actually, I also want to do this. I want to do what's on, okay, I don't have an iPhone, I'm using a Samsung, but what's on my Samsung. And also I want to do what's in my bag video. I know it's somewhere on my list. I just have it somewhere. We have what's in my bag, what's in my school bag, what's in my purse, what's in my handbag, what's in my work bag, considering I'm working. So what's in my work bag? Where was I? Drive with me. I miss driving. Anyway, drive with me. Then winter night routine. Okay, these are for the people with winters and all that, so we don't experience winter in Diani. So anyway, winter routine, summer routine, autumn. Which other seasons we have? And spring. Yeah. A productive day in my life vlog. That's also a super interesting video, which I also want to try to make. So guys, please, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And on the comment section below, just tell me the other kind of videos that we can make. I still have, my list is big. Where was I? A productive day in my life. Then we have fall or winter clothing haul. I love hauls. I love watching hauls. So we can do a fall, winter, which just do a haul. If you get something from Shein, you get something from Temu, you get something from Fashion Nova, Zara, all these stores, just even if it's the local markets around you, just give me a haul. I love seeing outfits. I like seeing people putting something together. And anywho, let's continue. Then we have my current playlist. Oh, nice. I also want to try this one. Then we have Clean With Me. Then a room tour. And then we have letting Instagram control my life for a day. That's interesting also. And then we do a maintenance vlog, like maintenance vlog. It's like things you do for yourself, like going to get your hair done, nails done, maybe shaving, getting some facials, some massage, spa day, you know. Anyhow, then we have birthday, get ready with me. And from the birthday vlog, you can do a get ready with me, and also you can do my birthday vlog. I mean, my birthday is coming up on 21st February. Oh God, I'm so eager and I'm so confused. I don't know, I'm just so excited for my birthday. I'm always excited for my birthday. I'm turning, and come to my appointment. Unfortunately, I can't do this because my clients, I mean, the job I do, I don't want to record and people. I'm in a male field career and people always look down upon me most of the time, so I'm just trying to chill out. Maybe one day I might do a vlog. Maybe if I get the small camera and I can just go about my job and I show you guys. I would love that. I would really love to show you guys, but then we have hair vlog, like your maintenance, how you do your hair, if you wash it yourself, what products you use. I want to know. I want to know what you use in your hair. I want to know why your hair looks so healthy, so good, so shiny. So please just show me what you use. I need it. I need it in my life desperately. Then we have hair tutorials. If you're a hairstylist or if you have like a cute hairstyle that you discovered, you can show us. I'm always trying to play around with my hair, but I have, and my scalp is so sensitive, so sometimes I'm just like, let me just let my hair down or just do a simple that. But guys, please just show me when my scalp, one day I might just decide to hell with my scalp. I need to try this hairstyle. I need it because I need it in my life. Then you have cook with me, guys. Actually I'm preparing my own cookbook and I'll be putting it on my YouTube studio store, so please support me. Hopefully by the end of January the cookbook will be ready. I'll be preparing like salads, baking. I'll prepare everything, guys, for you. Everything yummy. I love cooking. Then we can have a girl talk. Of course we're going to have girl talk. Lots and lots of girl talk. Then Q&A. Actually it's been a while since I did a Q&A. I think I should be doing one soon. Then assumptions about me. Oh God, I love these videos. I always love watching people doing these videos. Story time. Then travel vlogs. Everyday makeup routine. As someone who's still learning to do makeup, okay, I used to know how to do makeup, but lots of things have changed so far. And how many have we said so far? I can't even count. I stopped counting because if I was going to count 1, 2, but we have so many stuff, that many topics you can talk about. We have everyday makeup routine, car tour. If you have a car, girl, if you have a Porsche, please give me a tour of your Porsche. I want to see it. I want to see how you maintain your car, how clean it is. I want to see the interior leather seats. Oh God, I love Porsche. I love Porsche. It's my dream car. I won't deny that. It's my dream car. I love Porsche Cayenne in white with brown leather seats. Anyway, let's continue. I don't want to daydream about it a lot. Then shower routine, awesome video. Get ready with me. Spend the day with me. High school vlog, I would already said this. College days in my life. Day in the life of an entrepreneur. Vacation prep. Random days in my life. Then we have like the pranks, story times. Did I say story times? Yeah. Rating foods. Actually, I want to try this. Like, it's like rating food. Yeah, I love food. The rating the food. Like, I visit places in Diani and rate their foods and how they cooked them. So I love rating food. Actually, I also want to order something from Euphoria in Mombasa or Kitchenette. They bring it to Diani. I want to try the Nigerian food. Yeah, so that we can do that video together. Something else. Mukbangs. I told you girls. Family trip, rating food, spend the day with me, try on hauls, the vlogmas, rate outfits, rate my outfits. I'll do that for you guys. Okay guys, it's getting noisy, so please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.